The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Governor's Office of Emergency Services. Your life is at risk right now. Multiple reports of a strange anomaly have been issued in various parts of the San Francisco Bay Area. The anomaly is identified as a 8-bit video game character, and it appears to be a gigantic yellow ball with eyes and mouth, and makes a waka waka sound. The anomaly was named as Pac-Man by the witnesses. The anomaly will attack the citizens with its mouth in densely open areas. Once the anomaly swallows, it will dissolve a victim into 8-bit pixels. If you see an anomaly or hear a waka waka sound, you must run away from them immediately. Do not try to approach to the anomaly, as it will risk your chance of your survival. If you got away from the anomaly, please remain indoors immediately. Please remember to lock all doors and windows. Even barricading all of them works. Move to a room where it has no windows surrounding it. We will update more information on the anomaly.